Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to optimize your Chromebook for gaming. To optimize it, first of all, open any browser on your device and then click on the three dots which is on the top right corner of your screen. From there, select Settings. On the left, you will see an option of Privacy and Security. Hit on that and click on the Delete Browsing Data. Now choose the cached image and files and make it to all time and then hit on the Delete Data. Once you do that, on the top, search for Chrome flags and then on the searching bar search for Override and then make it to Enabled. Now once you do that, now search for Schedule and make it to Enable as well. Then at last, search for GPU and do the same for this one as well. Once you do all of this, your Chromebook is optimized for gaming. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.